Hey guys, so in the JF animation that I made, I did show like a bird, and guess what? I'm going to reveal my bird. Yes. Just let me get her real quick, okay? Here she is. Her name is Hootie. Whoa. She sometimes goes after the phone, but it's fine. Anyways, here's a hootaloo. Okay, no, the lighting's... There we go. Here's my Quakey baby. Anyways, bye. Ooh. Bye, friends. I also got the crew blanket, though. Just wanted to say. Annie is funny plushie. And here's a giant leaf I found hiking in the woods. It doesn't seem that big to you, but trust me, it's big. Anyways, bye, guys.